Winter approaches, those darkening days when most people retreat into comfort zones and abandon their ambitions. But what if I told you this season could become your greatest transformation period? Welcome to your winter arc, the next 90 days, that will fundamentally rewire who you are and how you show up in the world. This isn't another feel-good motivational speech. This is a battle-tested system that transforms winter's natural challenges into your ultimate competitive advantage. By the end of this blueprint, you'll have a complete roadmap that breaks your old patterns and builds the unstoppable version of yourself you've always known was possible. The hidden power of winter psychology. Science reveals something fascinating. Winter's shorter days and colder temperatures naturally reduce social distractions and force internal focus. Your brain's serotonin and dopamine levels shift, creating the perfect environment for deep habit formation. While others complain about seasonal depression, you'll be leveraging this biological reset to your advantage. Research from Harvard Business School shows that people demonstrate significantly higher focus and productivity on cold, rainy days compared to sunny weather. Your metabolism actually increases during cold exposure, burning additional calories while building mental resilience. This isn't coincidence. Winter is nature's training camp for champions. Phase 1, activate Ghost Protocol. Your first mission is complete social invisibility. Think Bruce Wayne disappearing into the mountains to become Batman. You're not antisocial, you're strategically selective. The rules are simple. No casual social media scrolling, minimal group hangouts and meaningless conversations, zero explanation of your transformation process to others, complete focus on internal development. Why this works. Your environment shapes your identity more than willpower ever could. Every conversation, every distraction, every comfort zone you maintain is an anchor pulling you back to your old self. Ghost Protocol cuts these chains. Create your transformation vision right now. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate an image of your ideal self after 90 days. Disciplined, focused, physically transformed. Save this image. This is your target, your North Star for the next 3 months. Phase 2, the 6 pillars of winter dominance. Pillar 1, rise before dawn. The challenge, winter mornings test your soul. When your alarm sounds in complete darkness, every fiber wants to stay buried under covers. The solution, use the don't think, just do protocol. The moment your alarm sounds, give your brain zero time to negotiate. Movement first, thoughts later. Your body will warm up, your mind will follow. Science backs this. Early risers show higher happiness levels, better sleep quality, and enhanced productivity. By claiming the first hours of each day, you're already winning before the world wakes up. Pillar 2, embrace the cold. The method, daily cold exposure through showers or ice baths. No warm water, no exceptions. This isn't just about temperature, it's about breaking comfort zone addiction. Cold exposure triggers massive dopamine release. 2. 5 times baseline levels, increases norepinephrine for focus and alertness, and reduces inflammation throughout your body. The legendary Wim Hof transformed his grief into superhuman cold tolerance, proving that controlled discomfort builds unshakable mental strength. When you can handle freezing water daily, life's other challenges become manageable inconveniences. Pillar 3, plank meditation, the innovation. Combine physical and mental training simultaneously. Hold a plank position for 2 to 5 minutes while focusing solely on your breath. This dual engagement technique trains both muscular endurance and mental discipline. When your muscles scream quit and your mind follows, that's precisely when real meditation begins, learning to observe discomfort without surrendering to it. Harvard research confirms that just 8 weeks of regular meditation reduces stress and improves memory function. Plank meditation accelerates these benefits while building physical strength. Pillar 4, build your core foundation, the commitment. 30-45 minutes daily of physical training. Push-ups, squats, running, or gym workouts, choose your weapon and stay consistent. Winter naturally slows metabolism, making it the ideal muscle-building season. Take your before photo today. This will become your transformation proof when spring arrives. Your body is your first project. Every rep builds not just muscle, but evidence of your capability to follow through on commitments. Pillar 5, read to sleep. The strategy. Replace evening phone scrolling with physical books. Use reading as your natural sleep trigger. This serves multiple purposes, eliminates blue light exposure that disrupts sleep hormones, builds sustained concentration skills, and creates the early bedtime necessary for dawn wake-ups. Reading is focus training for your brain, just as running builds cardiovascular endurance. Start with any book. Self-improvement or fiction doesn't matter. The concentration practice is what transforms you. Pillar 6, Super Goal System, the framework. One primary goal broken into measurable milestones over 90 days. Choose your transformation target. Pass a challenging exam, master a valuable skill, completely reshape your physique. Write this goal in one clear sentence. Now break it down. 3 monthly milestones, 12 weekly targets, 90 daily actions. Every day spend 2 to 3 hours in deep distraction-free work on your weekly target. Phone off, notifications silenced, single tasking only. Research proves multitasking drops your IQ to the same level as pulling an all-nighter. The science of winter transformation, multiple studies validate winter's transformation potential. Seasonal changes in light exposure naturally reset circadian rhythms and neurotransmitter production. Cold weather forces metabolic adaptation and mental toughness development. The fresh start effect shows people are most motivated to begin new habits during temporal landmarks like seasons, months, or weeks. WinterArk leverages this psychological phenomenon while providing the structured environment necessary for lasting change. Your 90-day timeline, days 1 to 30. Foundation building. Establish all 6 pillars as non-negotiable daily practices. Expect resistance. This is normal. Your old identity will fight for survival. Days 31 to 60. Momentum phase. Habits begin automating. You'll notice increased energy, sharper focus, and visible physical changes. Others will start asking what you're doing differently. Days 61-90, transformation completion, habits begin automating. You'll notice increased energy, sharper focus, and visible physical changes. Others will start asking what you're doing differently. Days 61-90, transformation completion. You're now operating from an entirely new identity. What once required massive willpower now feels natural. You've become someone who rises early, embraces discomfort, and executes consistently. Beyond the 90 days, this isn't a temporary challenge, it's an identity shift. By spring, you won't need external motivation because you'll have become the type of person who naturally maintains these standards. The world will notice, not because you talked about changing, but because you quietly became unrecognizable. Your transformation will speak louder than any announcement ever could. WinterArk isn't about surviving the cold months, it's about using them to forge an unbreakable version of yourself. While others hibernate, you'll be building the foundation for lifetime success. Your transformation starts now, not tomorrow, not Monday, right now. The only question remaining, are you ready to become the hero of your own story, or will you let another season pass as just another collection of ordinary days? The choice is yours. The blueprint is complete. Your winter arc begins today.